Quick video of our recently listed 1968 Shelby GT500 convertible. I'll show you guys real quick just a quick walk around, and then we'll do a startup as well. This is a numbers matching car. It's got a really nice history. I got it from a gentleman up in Michigan. He spent a lot of money going through it with the aid of Roush Industries. Their service team went through and basically resealed and retuned and did fluids and filters, the whole bit. Let me get out of the light here. Just a lot of clean details. Your smog equipment still in place. Got the Cobra Lama valve covers, Cobra air cleaner. Come on, camera. It's got its original buck tag. You can see the Shelby designation. It was also done in Sunlit Gold metallic. Beautiful color. Oh, darn it. Come on, camera. There we go. 10-spoke Shelby alloy wheels. Raised white letter tires. White GT stripe. This one's equipped with door edge guards. I have the top down at the moment, but the top is white on this car. Black boot cover, of course. The sequential taillights do work properly. Round tipped exhausts. Really solid car. Similar door fitment on both sides. Terrific paint. Got the hood lockdown pins. Obviously, pretty traditional standard Black Deluxe interior. This one does have tilt steering column. So the courtesy lights are working. Also on the doors. You can see here as well. I believe when this car was restored, they zero-timed the odometer. I think that is miles since restoration. And then more recently they added, this is a Custom Autosound digital, Bluetooth ready AM/FM radio in the stock location. And you can see here they mounted a auxiliary speaker for Bluetooth phone. Moreover, it's got a couple of ports here for USB hidden in the glove box. There you go. You got 2 of those ports. Why don't I stop this video here, keep it kind of short so I can text it easier, and then I'll start a new one. Video number 2. Just going to show you the dash. Let me get this ribbon out of the way. Dash is clean. Original Shelby steering wheel's very nice. Gauges are clear. See some new wiring underneath. It's just a good clean car. I think we'll just go ahead and start it up. Battery's on, so let's go ahead and see here. You can see the volts, oil gauge is obviously 0 until we run. You can't see it, but the alternator light is illuminated. Let's give it a couple of pumps. It's going to be on high choke for just a second. That up a little early. Let the choke stay on just a little longer. That must be the secondary position for the choke. There we go. I think she's idling a little bit more respectfully now. Let me show you the turn signals. Bunch of pictures of everything else on the website, including the Marty report. That's all I got.